Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 0. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to write run on search or just press Windows and A key to open up run window. Then you need to write here %local app data %, press OK. And then on this new window here, you need to click on one of the tasks here and press R until you see Roblox folder. First, you need to completely close Roblox. There should be no tasks on task manager because it won't work. Should be no tasks. Then delete Roblox folder, and don't worry, it's just the cache files. It won't affect your game. Worst thing that you need to experience with this deletion, you just need to re-log into your account. And then after you delete this, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to installed files, installed apps, and on installed apps, you need to look for Roblox here on search, Roblox, then delete Roblox from your system. And once it's deleted, open up a browser, go to roblox.com, log into your account, enter any experience here, press play, and then you get this window here that you need to download Roblox to play, and then just download the player and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.